I need a summary and a sentiment analysis of the following speech. So this is a recording of the whole process of SpeechTrack, and I'll try and explain what happens on the way. So just before we get into that, just look at the panel. There are two traffic lights, left and right. The left one showing clarity and the right one showing tempo of words per minute, and the colors are coded as per some standards available on the internet. So green means good, yellow means do something about it, and red means it needs improvement. And the badges below kind of tell you the status. Are we streaming? So if it's streaming, then we say connected, and some other statistics like the words and words per minute, duration of the whole speech, etc. So let's stop recording. And if you notice, the panel below gives you a color coded words. These are color coded by confidence, and they're based only on the partial transcript values, confidence values. So they are a bit different from the final transcript. We'll come to that. So once we have stopped recording, you have an option of reviewing your audio. Notice the WebSocket connection is closed, so we are disconnected from Assembly AI. We have audio chunks in hand, which we need to assemble, which is already been assembled, but it has not been uploaded to Assembly AI. So once we start analyzing the video, the first thing that happens is the audio chunks are combined together into a WAV file object and uploaded to Assembly AI to get a transcript ID. To get a image URL. And once that URL is in hand, we seek a transcript ID. So let's look at that stage, because everything is going to happen in one shot. And once we have the transcript ID, that is combined with a custom prompt. I'll tell you more about the custom prompt a bit later, to get a response, which is the final evaluation report. So let's look for the evaluation report and keep your eyes trained on the right side of the screen. This is the first final transcript message from the streaming transcript. This is the actual transcript with its ID. This is a copy of that. So as I was saying, the final transcript is used to look for a message, any kind of parameter directives for Lemur. So here's the directives that it captured from the, so from based on the word, I want informative, I want summary and sentiment analysis. It switched the summary model and summary type to the requisite values, and ensured that these two booleans are set to true. Here's the final, let me scroll the screen a bit, result. It's so the custom prompt is the key to getting this result. So the custom prompt is a very long one. You can read about it in the main post. Yeah, it compares against the standards of speaking rates, the confidence values. Of course, I've used the confidence as a surrogate for clarity, so hope that's okay. It looks for filler words. If you notice, of course, it doesn't show up in the screen, but I'm using disinfluences set to true and I'm getting the transcript. So possibly it will be there in somewhere here. Disinfluences, yeah, there. Disinfluences is true. So that makes it capture all the ums and the ums. And that gives me some kind of data to evaluate. So this is the actual evaluation report from Lemur via Claude Sonnet 3.5, and if need be, you can always copy it. Okay. As I said, this is nothing but the streaming text panel, which gives you the words in color-coded form of confidence. And for those who are technically interested in what kind of data passes, so the SpeechTrack data is nothing but the data that is used and passed on from stage to stage, capturing all the metrics and finally sent to the custom prompt. So if you notice, I keep all these details. This is nothing but the transcript ID. This is the full text. The words per minute and all are calculated. The command for the transcript, the summary when it comes back, the sentiment analysis here. Yeah, so this is the gist of it. And if you are looking for some kind of history, then this will show you the last three speech history. This is this is probably the previous recording. Here's the transcript. Since we asked for the summary, we got the summary, and since we asked for the sentiment, I'm just compacting the summary into a string of text so that you can see it here. You get this. If you don't ask anything in the first line, you don't get any in the summary and sentiment. Of course, this can be extended to other booleans also, which can be set in while getting the transcript. Well, that's it. It was great working on this project. So thank you, Assembly, for sponsoring this. I like the API very much. Thank you.